So, looks like I'm gonna be fighting really good people, too good people. I don't understand what you're yelling, but please don't yell right now. Thank you. I'm recording my video, please. I'm trying to.
She's yelling at me.
Okay, I'm on video. I'm playing against someone else. Maybe. I don't know. They always change their names up all the time, so we'll find out. I'm not getting very good. I need to get right there. I don't think I'm gonna get there in time. I gotta beat one of these guys. I'm probably gonna go the opposite way of me. I didn't check to see what name the other guy was. I hope this is not him. If it is, I'm sorry.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Missile launched at target. Target hit.
Attention to what name it is. Stop talking.
Captain, the target has been captured. Missile launched. Hit confirmed. Stop the engines. Establish visual contact. Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Captain, the target has been captured. Fire on command. I see a hit on the target. Captain, the target has been captured. Missile launched at target. Target destroyed. Establishing visual contact. That's a hit. Establish visual contact. Enter target coordinates.
I think it's sitting behind me.
Establishing visual contact.
I think they're back there. Is that one of them? Up there, yeah. Just behind me.
Keeping watch. Permission to open fire requested. Target hit. Prepare to fire. Stop engines. Establishing visual contact. Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations. That's a hit. Fire at will. Do not wait for command.
Come on, one corner.
Both engines. Half speed ahead. Full combat alert on the ship. Stand by. Enemy target eliminated. Enemy missile attack. I see a hit on the target. Ready to open fire on the enemy.
Ah, I hate when that happens.
Echo 1-1. Aiming at the target.
Fix my sensitivity right now.
Target hit. Fire on command. 25 knots. Ahead.
They're gonna try and grab me so I'm gonna get out.
Stop the engines. Prepare to fire. Half ahead. Attacking missile heading towards us spotted. Fire alarm! Activating extinguishing system. Engines full speed.
I figured I was gonna lose in like 2 so.
Equipment is battle ready. Keeping watch. Target destroyed. Both engines, half speed ahead. Torpedoes standing by. Stop all engines. Establish visual contact. Both engines astern. 25 knots ahead.
There we go.
Hard approach. Engine target coordinates. Fire at the enemy. That's ahead. The enemy has been destroyed. Our ship is under enemy attack.
Yeah.
You've been discovered. Assume your positions according to the combat schedule. Fire at the enemy. It's confirmed. The target is within range. We are under fire. Combat Unit 5. Assess the damage.
Well, I lost. But did I really lose bad?
And I'm gonna find it. Look at this. Rice. Hard rice too.
You guys are totally ruining my video.
Laco.
But, okay, he did. So, yeah. I didn't kill any of them. Oh well. My score was low. Their revenue's no good.